What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of the stream. I'm going to show you here, as you saw in the last clip, took off the oil pan and some stuff around so I can make this block a little lighter. I need to take off the pistons, rods, and crank and this balance shaft here, so I can start cleaning it up. Today's episode, we will, if I take all this off, so I can start cleaning a little bit. Don't know yet, but I think we might have a bad, either a bad block or bad pistons. And soon I will explain why after I take all this off and we have a better view of it. So let's get to it. Well, guys, I had to take the engine out of the stand, move it to that chair so I could take the girdle out, which is this part right here. So many screws, my goodness. But it's out. Now I have to take the rod bolts off so I can take the caps off and move the pistons down so I can take the whole crank out, and piston will be easy to take out. So we'll put you back over there and I'm gonna put you guys in a time lapse. Well guys, everything is off. The block is right there. We'll inspect that after we checked our pistons. So we have a little bit of bad news and good news. This one doesn't look too bad on the sides. This is number 1 piston. Not too bad. You can see a little bit of, I don't know if you can see it. There was a little bit of slap, piston slap on it. Number 2, even the black stuff is gone. Very, very bad. Don't know if you can see it. It's too bright. Let me see if I can fix this. Yeah. Let me turn it around. See that? That's piston number 2. Very bad piston slap. That's very bad. Let's check number 3. Number 3. Let's check this here. Here we go. Number 3, even worse. That's bad. That's where the knocking sound was coming from. And number 4. So all 2, 3, 4, they were smacking the cylinder wall. That's how I see it. Number 1 has it, but it's not as bad. Not too bad, but the other 3 are very bad. Now I gotta check. Now I have to check the cylinder wall to see if there's any scores or scratches and even more bad news. The good thing is the bearings. I'm impressed. The bearings are almost new. Very new. These are the main bearings. These are main bearings right here, as well as these. They look phenomenal. They look really good. I'm impressed. But the pistons, they look pretty bad. Now let's get to see. Oh, it's so bright. Out of focus. I guess it's. I'm not too sure what's going on with the camera. I'll be back, guys. Oh, I'm back, guys. Sorry about that. Just trying to get the camera to focus right. Oh, this baby right here. See what bad news is gonna give me. Let me grab a light. see what's gonna say. Just gotta check it over here. Let's turn it around. All right. I already see, yep, number 4. It's pretty bad. But I don't feel anything. On this side, it's the same thing. Let's see. Not bad. Number 3. I see that it was hitting. As you can see that. Can I get it? There we go. That's how the pistons, they slap and they do that. Number 2 is the same thing, all the way up and all the way down. That's this size. I see it. This size. Yeah. Number 1. Yep. I can see it right there. Bam. So yep. Now I have to verify if the block is still round. And I don't have the tool for that, so don't know how to check that. We'll see. But these are definitely bad. The skirts are, pistons are slapping the wall. That's why they're like that. So guys, we will see what I will do for the next video. Well, next video we will start cleaning up block, head, girdle, and I don't know if you can see it, the transmission. That is. So guys, I'll stop right here. If you like the video, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's get these likes, people. Let's get these likes. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And I guess I will see you guys tomorrow.